Hi guys, I'm Vishwaja and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to do this small personal project. It's going to be a website, and yeah, it's about I recently went out to explore Pune. It was like a day out and I covered some places, and I thought why not create a website out of it, because last time I went to Pondicherry and I made a whole website out of it. So why not for Pune? So yeah, I have covered some places and I am so excited to show how this process is going to be. I'm going to use AI tool to just speed up my process and use all the colors and all the sitemaps and the wireframes that will get generated without any extra effort, and you just have to customize that. So yeah, let's get into the video. Also, for those who don't know me, I'm Vishwaja and I've been working as a UX designer at a startup for almost 1.5 years now, and I take freelance projects by night and also curate content on Instagram and YouTube sometimes. But yeah, I link everything in the caption below, description below. So yeah, let's get into the video, and before that I'll share some snippets, some videos from my day out, and then we can start designing. So we are going to start by using Relume because it's the best tool in AI category that I have used to build faster websites, and also it's like not a replacement. We have to customize it according to our need, according to client's need, and just use it as our assistant, we can say. It will give us sitemaps, wireframes and whatnot, style guide as well. So yeah, let's start building it. The website itself looks so cool, and yeah, you have to log in first, and I have my login completed. We'll start by creating a new project. Here you can click on new project, and yeah, let's wait it to load. This is your interface when you just start designing or create your new project. You have to first write your prompt, and here you'll see the sitemap, wireframe, style guide and whatnot. And on the left side you'll see the project area where you'll write the prompt. There you can also customize the number of pages and as well choose the language. I'll keep it to English US right now. Let's start building. Let's start by writing a prompt now. I have already written it, so I'll paste it over here. You have to then and wait for it to show its magic. As you can see, I've not fast forwarded this, but it's doing all its work. Basically, sitemap is going to be the structure of the website, like which section will go where, and you can also customize it by clicking here if you want to add any other content, if you want to move these sections up and down. And yeah, also you can click over here, you can duplicate, add another page, add another section, or also delete it. Okay, so we have a timeline and highlight or photo gallery page and also a closing section. This looks fine for me right now, and we will go for creating the wireframes. So basically wireframes are some low fidelity designs that we just have for, like, we get an idea of how a website is going to look without any colors, without any specific UI elements that we usually use. So yeah, let's jump right into our wireframe. I'll click over here into the wireframe, and here you can see, oh my god, it's so fast. This would have taken almost 2-3 hours for me to like think on it and generate this website, at least the wireframes. Let's wait and see the magic. It's almost done, I guess. Great. We have the whole website. You can also edit it by, like, let's say I want this section to be different in the home page. I'll click on this, I'll select it, and then I can also customize the style of the card if I want it as a card or as a normal section. I can also add a set, like if I want a video or I want the image. If I want a video, I'll add a video. Let's say we add a video. Then we can also like change the placement. I want it on the left. Great. Okay, let's see what else we can do. We also have some layout change options. Okay, so basically you can see they have a lot of different layouts that you can choose from, and it actually looks so much fun. This one is really good. I think I should go with this. It has a lot of pictures, it would look cool. Great. And then we can customize the other sections in the same way. So this is like a timeline, which is really cool actually. And then we have some Pune vibes section. This also looks cool. We can see what else we can change over here. I guess this would look cooler. Great. In the same way you can change all the other sections, and then you're good to go for your final design. Let's dive into the style guide section, and we already have the colors generated. Also on the right side you can see those colors in action as you change them, or else you can also shuffle this color scheme. Let's say I shuffle, and you can just, like if I want this purple shade to be locked and I want to change the other steel blue and mojo, then I just click on shuffle until I'm satisfied with the colors that I get. Let's say I'm good with this color scheme, maybe this, or I'll just unlock purple and customize it from here itself. Let's say I want a little bit of oranges shade. Okay, this looks cool. Let's say I want a darker part of it. Great. Also you can just choose from these black shades if you want to change them. And moving on to typography, you can also choose which type of font you want. Let's see. Okay, I want let's go with some sans serif fonts. Let's say I like this. Then you can click on find recommendations. You can also choose from the UI styling part which type of button you want. And also the card section, you can choose if you want the borders only or you want a default. You can also choose from how rounded you want the corner radius to be throughout the website. This has actually made my work so much easier. Also you can choose from the light or dark theme available. You can, in the website section itself, click and get some customized options, or else you can add your color option by yourself. This is so cool and so easy to just play around and see what works and what doesn't. You can also add a logo from here. You can upload it in the given size, or else you can edit it afterwards when we get this into Figma. You can also start editing these images in the Relume itself before exporting it into Figma. It will make your work more easier. Also, for now, it's just the limit of 4 MB. The file that you upload should be less than 4 MB, but otherwise everything can be done here itself. So you have a lot of options, like let's say I always use Figma, but you can also export it to Webflow in React or HTML format. So let's export it to Figma. So this is the prompt you get. You have to get this Figma kit, click on it, and you'll have to copy all the Relume Figma kit into your Figma. Now have our file in Figma and just search for Relume plugin. This will pop up. You can select the project name that you had given. For me is Day in Pune, and then we'll go to design and select the pages that you want. Right now I just want the home page. Let's select the concept one right now, as we have only generated one. Then if we are using Figma Sites, you can click on yes, I am using Figma Sites, and start the import. Also, if you want to add all other wireframes that you created, you can just select those and hit continue. Select the concept that you have built, and then if you're using Figma Sites, continue with Figma Sites and wait for it to generate. And it gave me the pop-up that I finished and saved my 5 hours 30 minutes, and it actually applies all the concept and the style guide to your other frames as well. So let's start by changing the images. I have almost did some customization. I just drew some illustrations and added it over here for a nice minimal touch, and added some videos in the timeline. And yeah, we have the desktop and the mobile responsive designs over here, and let's see how this look while published. As we have our site customized as much as possible, now we are going to publish it using Figma Sites. So you'll have to create a new Figma site file. This is right now for the pro subscription plan in Figma. If you have one, you can definitely check this out. So now we are going to just copy this, the desktop, in the desktop screen, and as everything is ready, we can hit publish and wait for it to go live. Oh my god, this is looking so pretty. We just made it under 20 minutes, I guess, and I am so in love with this timeline as well. It looks so aesthetic and totally shows the whole day. Oh my god, this is so cool. I'll also mention all the places that you can visit while you are in Pune. And yeah, I hope you liked it. So this is it for today, and I'm adding all these links in the description below. Go and check it out and start creating your own website with AI and customize it accordingly. It is so good for like last minute client projects or even for your personal projects. I would love to see what you all are creating. So see you in the next video. Bye.